Welcome back. The next most important widget in our list is QPushButton. QPushButton is a simple, clickable button widget. Like QLabel and QLineEdit, it can be called with the first argument that specifies the text on the button. Some of the most useful properties we can use to set on the Q widget includes the following. The checkable and checked properties allow us to use this button as a toggle button that reflects on or off state. Rather than just click button that performs an action, all of these properties come from QPush class parent class. Similar to the QPushButton, there are other classes also there which is similar to this, like QCheckbox, QRadioBox, QToolbox, which are similar to PushButton. Now let us see how to display QPushButton in our window using PyQT. Alright, now we are in the Visual Studio Code again. What I'll do, let me comment this, and I'll definitely use this QLineEdit later on. For now, let's create QPushButton. Let's say button equal to qtw.QPushButton, and the properties, the first one which will display it, which is nothing but push me. You can give whatever text you want. In order to display that, we can use self. Okay, at the moment, let's take this and create a QPushButton. Now let's execute that python qt template.py, and here you go. As soon as you execute this, and you can see that QPushButton is there and says that it is a push B. Cool, right? We will see how to connect this QPushButton to do some specific actions later on in the upcoming lectures. Until then, happy learning.